Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete any item that you have in 1Password. Whether that's credentials, login, credit card details, whatever it is, document that you want to delete, this is how you permanently delete it. So you want to go ahead and click on vaults on the left side and find the vault that has those credentials or whatever it is that you want to delete. I'm going to choose this test password here. Then I'm going to click on the view the vault. I can open it in a new window or the same window. It's really up to me how I actually want to do it. And once I'm in that specific vault, as you can see, it's asking me for my credentials again right there. I will now be able to find those details that I want or those items that I want to delete. And so you want to go ahead and click on the item that you want to delete, then click the three dots on the upper right and click on delete. Then click on delete the item again. Once you delete the item on the lower left, because you're in the vault, you'll find recently deleted. Go to recently deleted. Here you'll find that item that you deleted and you want to click on it. And at the bottom you have destroy permanently. Click on that and here you click on destroy item. And that's how you permanently delete any item in 1Password. And that's it, guys.